Hello everyone. Did you know that RedNote also has options to hide your followers and following lists? I'll show you how. Open the RedNote app and go to your profile as usual. Then, tap on the gear icon. Here, select Privacy Settings. Scroll down a little until you find the option Followers and Following List. Tap on that option. You'll see two settings available. Each setting allows you to control who can view specific lists on your profile. These changes are instant, so your lists will update to private as soon as you toggle the settings. By enabling the first option, your following list will become private, and no one will be able to view it. By enabling the second option, you can hide your followers list. These are great features for protecting your privacy and the privacy of the people you interact with on this platform. They also give you more control over how your profile is presented to others. Make sure to adjust these settings according to your preferences for a better experience on RedNote. If this video helped you, subscribe to our channel and become part of our digital family.